Okay, hello students, welcome back. Okay, we'll go to quick practice 11.20 and 11.21 in this video. So a debating team, consists of 8 students. 4 students come from school A, and the remaining 4 students come from 4 different schools. So now we get 8 students, right? And 4 students from school A, and all others come from different schools. So maybe we can use B, C, D, E to represent. So one from B, one from C, one from D, and one from E. Okay. So now 8 students are arranged randomly to stand in a row. Find the probabilities that the students from school A stand next to each other. Okay, so let's start. So if you need to stand together, so you just like put them together. So this 4 are from A, okay, and this is from B, C, D, E. Okay, so now first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 you can arrange, right? So you get 5 factorial. And then for the A, you can have 4 factorial, right? So 4 students from A. And then we can get the answer. So we stand next to each other. It will be 5 factorial times 4 factorial, and then total 8 students you arrange in a row, so 8 factorial, and then we get the answer 1/14. Okay, and then I'll go to part B. Actually, this is A. So part B, they are separate by 1 student from other school. So we first put the students from other school. So we have this, right? So look at the questions carefully. Now the students from school A are separate by only 1 student, right? Only 1 A student from other school. So it cannot be 2 or more. So you need to find the number of cases, okay, like manually. Now you have 5 space, right, to put the students in A, okay. So one possible choice is you put this here, right? And this is case 1. And the second case, you can put here. Okay, such that these students are separate by 1 student from other schools only. Okay, you can imagine, okay, how about this one? If you put it here, is it work? If you put it here, is it work? If you put it here, then these 2 students, they will separate by 2 students from other school, right? So this is not working actually. So we have only case 1 and case 2. Okay, which I use the blue color to specify. So we can try to get the answer in these situations. Now for BCDE, okay, you get 4 factorial arrangement, right? And for these 2 blue one, you get 2 arrangement. And for these 4, you can also arrange them, okay? Like A1, A2, A3, and A4, you can arrange them, okay, by themselves. So you also get like 4 factorial in this situation. Okay, so we can get the answer. Probability, they are separate by 1 student of other school. So you will get, this is 8 factorial, and you just multiply all together. So you will have 1/35. Okay. Now we go to the last questions. There are 8 cake shops in a district. 3 cakes are taken from each cake shop for quality control. So how many cakes are taken? 24, right? A quality controller randomly select 3 cakes from the cakes collected. That means we select 3 cakes from this 24. And then now we go to find the probabilities of some cases. So now, again, we have like, just get some idea first. We have 3 egg shops, and then 3 from each shops. So total, we will have 24 cakes. So, like if this is from shop A, we use A1, A2, and A3 to represent the cakes taken from shop A, and then you have B1, B2, B3, etc. Okay, and then up to H1, H2, and H3. Okay, so now part A, all from the same cake shop. All from the same cake shop. Okay, P, all from same shop. And first of all, now you take 3 out of 24, right? So you get 24C3. And then if these 3 cakes need to come from the same cake shop, so they should come from, so these 3 cakes only come from one shop, right? So you just choose one from this H shop first. So HC1. And then after you choose the shop, you need to choose 3 cakes from this shop, right? So you multiply 3C3. Okay, so finally we get 1/253. Okay, now part B, all from different shops. Okay, so we just like 24C3 is the denominator. And then now, if all from different cake shops, now you have 3 cakes, right? So how many shops they belong to if they need to be from different cake shops? 3 shops, right? So you choose these 3 out of this 8, so HC3. And then after we choose the shop, we need to choose 1 cake from each shop. Okay, where there are 3 cakes from each shop selected, right? So you get 3C1. And then you have 3 out of them. And this is, okay, already the answer. Okay, so you understand well these 2 questions, so congratulations, you understand well, okay, in this kind of questions already. So now the next step is to like familiar with the skills you have learned by some practices. And tomorrow, okay, I will show you actually some past paper questions to you. So see you tomorrow.